The new Ford Bronco Sport is the SUV you've been looking for, with great fuel economy and a capable off-road platform. Offered in 4 different trims, there's a new Bronco Sport for everyone. Choose the Ford Bronco Sport Badlands if you need a 2-liter EcoBoost turbocharged engine to pull you up your favorite mountain this weekend. A standard 4x4 drivetrain and GOAT modes, or goes over any type of terrain modes, tailor your new Ford to match whatever trail you're covering. Confidence also comes standard in the new Ford Bronco Sport, so wherever you go, you know you're in the right vehicle for the job. Ford rigorously tested the high-performance, off-road stability suspension offered in all Broncos to make sure your Bronco is ready to get dirty. Pack whatever you need for a weekend away with up to 65.2 cubic feet of cargo volume behind the front row of seats. If you have more than can fit inside, throw it on top of this new Ford SUV easily, with plenty of roof rack options to choose from. Customize your Bronco Sport with a 1.5-inch rough country lift and 31.5-inch all-terrain tires with no rub to upgrade your level of off-road traction without voiding the factory warranty. There are barely any rocks this Bronco can't crawl over, with 10.3 inches of total ground clearance. LP Adventure wheels complement the exterior of this Ford with a rugged look. Finance any of our accessories or include them in your purchase when you stop by our Ford dealership to purchase your Bronco Sport. Kendall delivers to your home when you use our online car shopping and home delivery for free, up to 100 miles. Simply buy online and we'll drop off your new car, truck, or SUV right to your front door. Hit like and subscribe to our channel to watch more great videos from Kendall. Come by our Ford dealership and find your next Ford Bronco Sport today in Eugene, off Delta Highway and Good Pasture Island Road. Kendall, let's start something great.